It took a few weeks, especially with the geniuses at S.H.I.E.L.D. blowing up all the bridges and tunnels. But life came back to Manhattan. Venom was gone, bad guys were beaten and thrown in jail. And for once, things look pretty good for our hero.
Oh my god. Are you narrating?
Hey MJ, how long were you standing there?
I heard superheroes like to do that, but I never thought that you'd...
Please.
We gonna do this thing or not?
If it gets you to forget that you caught me narrating. Yeah, you bet.
Well, darling, I promised you this city, and it's yours. What do you desire? We await your commands, sir.
I always believed that with great power came great responsibility.
And now?
I never knew what power was.
The Tinkerer says he's ready. And our delivery boy...
Here he comes. Are you in full control?
Yeah, I'm dandy.
Bring me Spider-Man, dead or alive.
I'm going with... dead.
Hello there. Sorry I missed you. You know the drill.
I know you're there, and I know you won't pick up. I just hope that someday you'll understand that I did what I did because I was so desperate to win. I just wish I had the strength to do what was right. I'm sorry. MJ, she thinks she can just walk away. She never understood what it means to have power. Neither did I. But now... I understand what power really is. You'll be mine again, Mary Jane. No one will ever say no to me again.
The Tinkerer says he's ready. And our delivery boy...
Here he comes. Are you in full control?
Yeah, I'm dandy.
Bring me Spider-Man, dead or alive.
I'm going with... dead.